Namaste everyone. Today we are going to discuss that how to test a number is prime or not. So before I start it, please subscribe my channel. What is prime number? A counting number is called prime number if it has exactly two factors, 1 and the number itself. In other words, we can say it is divisible by 1 and the number itself. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on are the prime numbers. Till 100 it is very easy to find out, but more than 100 it is little tough. So let us do a test to check whether the number is prime or not. So let P is a number. For example, I am taking a number 193. We have to test that if P is equals to 193, is it prime or composite? So we have to follow 3 steps. Number 1, take X such that it should be greater than square root of P. For example, we know that 193 lies between 13 square and 14 square. 13 square is 169 and 14 square is 196. So we can write 13 square is less than 193 is less than 14 square. So we can take X equals to 14, means 14 is greater than square root of 193. Now let us see the second step. And the second step is take odd prime numbers less than or equals to X. I repeat, take all prime numbers less than or equal to X. Means our X is 14, so we have to write all prime numbers less than or equal to 14. Therefore, the numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13. Now let us see the third step. In 3 steps, we can verify that the number is prime or not. So the third step is, if none of these prime numbers divides P exactly, means if P is not divisible by any of these prime numbers, then it is prime. Then it is prime. So let us see the divisibility test. So our number is 193. So here I am going to repeat the divisibility test of all these numbers. So first number is 2. If one's digit is even number, means 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then it is divisible by 2. But here it is 3, so it is not divisible by 2. For 3, if sum of digits is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. But here the sum of digit is 9, 3, 12, 113, so which is not divisible by 3, means 193 is not divisible by 3. Now let us check for 5. We know that one's digit must be either 0 or 5, then it is divisible by 5. but here it is 3, so it is not divisible by 5 also. Now let us check divisibility by 7. A number is divisible by 7 when the difference between twice the ones digit and number formed by the other digits is either 0 or divisible by 7. So then the number is divisible by 7. But here it is 19 minus 2 3s are 6, that is 13, which is not divisible by 7. Therefore 193 is not divisible by 7. Now let us test divisibility by 11. So if the difference between the sum of digits at odd places, that is 1 plus 3 equals to 4, and at even places, that is 9, is either equal to 0 or is divisible by 11. So here it is 9 minus 4, which is equal to 5, and you know 5 is neither equal to 0 nor divisible by 11. Therefore the number is not divisible by 11. So for 13 you can check by dividing it. You know the remainder is 11 when we are dividing by 13. Therefore it is not divisible by 13 also. Therefore 193 is a prime number. So you can do this test in your mind itself if you know the divisibility rules for prime numbers. Let us do the same test for one more number, that is 329. So we know that 329 lies between 18 square and 19 square, because 18 square is 324 and 19 square is 361. So 19 is the number which is greater than square root of 329. Means now we have to write prime numbers less than or equal to 19. So the numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. So by 2 the ones digit is not divisible. By 3 sum of digits is 9, 2, 11, 3, 14. So not divisible by 3, neither divisible by 5, because ones digit is neither 0 nor 5. Let us check for 7. It is 32 minus 2 into ones digit, that is 32 minus 18, which is equal to 14. 32 minus 18 is 14, which is divisible by 7. Therefore 329 is divisible by 7. Means 329 is not a prime number. If it is not a prime number, then it is called a composite number. The number which is not prime is called composite number. So in the end, one useful tip: 1 is neither prime nor composite, because 1 have only one factor, that is 1 itself. Thank you and keep smiling.